morning, students. We were doing marketing research, and today we are going to cover another topic from the same topic, that is marketing research methods. In the previous video, we have talked about marketing research and its meaning and all. So now we are going to discuss about the methods of marketing research. So basically, it is methodologically marketing research uses the following types of research design. So it has various research design. First one is based on questioning, and in that the subpoint is qualitative marketing research, generally used for exploratory purposes, small number of respondents, not generalized to the whole population. इसमें क्या होता है कि बहुत जिसमें कम रिस्पोंडेंट्स हों, ऐसी रिसर्च जिसमें कम पार्टिसिपेंट्स हों, हम उसको क्वालिटेटिव मार्केटिंग रिसर्च में मानते हैं. Like statistical significance and confidence not calculated. Examples include focus groups, in-depth interviews, and projective techniques. So then we have quantitative marketing research. It is generally used to draw conclusions, test a specific hypothesis. जब हम किसी चीज़ का भी टेस्ट करते हैं, कोई हाइपोथेसिस कर रहे हैं, कोई एनालिसिस कर रहे हैं, सो उसमें हमारे पास कंक्लूजन क्या रहेगा, क्या उसका रिज़ल्ट आएगा, उस चीज़ को देखने के लिए हम क्वांटिटेटिव मार्केटिंग रिसर्च करते हैं. एंड इट इन्वॉल्व्स अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ़ रिस्पोंडेंट्स. एंड इसमें उससे ऑपोजिट होगा, इसमें बहुत सारे नंबर ऑफ़ रिस्पोंडेंट्स होंगे. लाइक एग्जाम्पल इंक्लूड सर्वेज एंड क्वेश्चनर्स, जिसमें सर्वेज एंड क्वेश्चनर्स होंगे. टेक्निक्स इंक्लूड चॉइस मॉडलिंग, मैक्सिमम डिफरेंस प्रेफरेंसेस, स्केलिंग, एंड covariance analysis. Then we have based on observations. Another method is based on observation, and in that first one is ethnographic studies. By nature qualitative, the researcher observes social phenomena in their natural setting. Observations can occur cross-sectionally. Observation made at one time, it means, and longitudinally, that is observations occur over several time periods. Example include product use analysis and computer cookie tracers. See also ethnography and observational techniques. Then we have experimental techniques. By nature quantitative, the researcher creates a quasi-artificial environment to try to control spurious factors, then manipulates at least one of the variables. Example include purchase, laboratories, and test markets. Then we have classification of marketing research. Number one is problem identification research. Research undertaken to help identify problems. We all know that why we do research. See, there are two words, search and research. Search means we are finding anything that we don't know about it, we are unknown about it. But research means somebody has already found a thing or a data, but we are again studying that part. So that is research. So research को हम प्रॉब्लम आइडेंटिफिकेशन के लिए इसको ले सकते हैं कि इसका क्लासिफिकेशन है. इसका मेन रहता है कि हमने प्रॉब्लम्स को आइडेंटिफाई करना है, विच आर नॉट नेसेसरीली apparent on the surface and yet exist or are likely to arise in the future. Examples हैं market share, image, market characteristics, market potential, sales analysis, forecasting, and trends research. Then research undertaken to help solve specific marketing problems. कोई भी स्पेसिफिक मार्केटिंग प्रॉब्लम्स है उसको सॉल्व करने के लिए प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग रिसर्च मेथड या उसका क्लासिफिकेशन यूज़ किया जाता है. इसका एग्जांपल रहेगा सेगमेंटेशन व्हेन वी डिवाइड द मार्केट, प्रोडक्ट, प्राइसिंग, प्रमोशन एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन रिसर्च. Here is a diagram given. Classification of marketing research. Here you can see the marketing research, and it has two types of research: problem identification and problem solving. In identification, we just search for the problem, that where the problem arises, and in the second one, problem solving means when we are ready to solve the problem. And in problem identification research, there has market potential research, market share that we have studied right now. And in another segmentation is their product pricing, promotion and distribution. So problem solving research has segmentation research, like determine the basis of segmentation, कि बेसिक चीज़ क्या है सेगमेंटेशन की, उसको डिटर्मिन करना. एस्टेब्लिश मार्केट पोटेंशियल, मार्केट के लिए पोटेंशियल उसको एस्टेब्लिश करना. एंड रिस्पॉन्सिवनेस फॉर वेरियस सेगमेंट्स, और उनका रिस्पॉन्सिवनेस के साथ काफ़ी सारे सेगमेंट्स में उसका रिस्पॉन्स लेना. सेलेक्ट टारगेट मार्केट्स, क्रिएट लाइफस्टाइल प्रोफाइल लाइक डेमोग्राफी, मीडिया एंड मैनी मोर. Then we have product research, test concept, determine optimal product design, package test, product modification and many more, like control, store, test. Then we have problem solving research, promotional research, optimal promotional budget, sales, promotion, relationship, optimal promotional mix and copy decisions, media decisions, creative advertisement, advertising testing. Then we have a pricing research, all includes the pricing policies, like pricing policies, importance of price in brand selection, the product line pricing, price elasticity of demand, these all. Then we have problem solving research. In that we have distribution research, types of distribution, attitudes, intensity of wholesale, retail coverage and location of retail and wholesale outlets. When we are doing the marketing research process, step 1 is defining the problem. We have to look after the problem, that where the problem is arising. Then we have to develop an approach to the problem, development उसको करना. Then we have formulating a research design. उसके बाद हम एक research design को formulate करेंगे, that will be helpful in problem solving method. Doing field work. Then we are supposed to collect the information for which we are working for. Preparing and analyzing data. Then we are preparing and presenting the report. So these were the methods. Then we have role of marketing research, consumer groups, uncontrollable environment factors and controllable marketing variables. And in that consumer groups means, we can also say it as a customer groups, and in that there are consumer, employees, shareholder and suppliers. And if I talk about uncontrollable environment factors, that includes economy, technology, laws and regulations, social and cultural factors, political factors and many more. So controllable marketing variables are product pricing, promotion, distribution. Then we have assessing information needs and many more. And last one is marketing managers. Market segmentation is there, target market selection is there, marketing programs and performance and control. So these were the all which helped in the marketing research.